Hey guys, I'm about ready to go to the store, so put on my shoes and go buy some artwork. Today I'm going to the art store. We'll see what I get. I got to do some last minute paintings right before I finish my for my new art show. What is it called? Visceral City. Alright, so we arrived walking to the art store. Going up here to Blick. Alright, so we got our stuff. I was gonna get 12 by 16. I was gonna get more, but I really only have a week left. I could knock it out since I'm not working, but I think I have enough work, so this will just kind of fill in between that really small to large work. So it gives some buyers kind of they can stack their way up depending on their collector value they're comfortable with. All right, now back to the art store, back to the gallery. Gonna add some layers. Forgot to film in the beginning, but it is what it is. All right, let's see what we got here. So I got paint all over my face. So that's memorable. Anyway, I did 2 of these. As you can see, I kind of worked the blades back and forth. As we zoom in, you can see this bottom layer is kind of an orange red. And then I'm kind of adding blue, white, this maroon color, which is the blue and the red combined. And then I'm scraping away some of the layers. It's very similar to how Richter did the style. But I'm not doing any brush work, so that is a little more distinct. Let's take a look at the next one. So on this one, I think it's a lot better executed because I left some of the more virgin early discoveries in there, like that white, blue, and dark. I think that's drying really nice. I did that scraping noise right here. So I kind of brought through the orange back, so that was really nice. And I added the blue to kind of calm more of the scraped earlier noise, so it creates less of a racket. It is a really high intense painting with this really prime orange, red, really bold colors. These are actually the colors my dad picked, so not necessarily the colors I would normally use, but I figured I'd have him use them. It's always interesting to explore new colors, not limit yourself to the palette you like, but kind of try new palette colors. You're gonna see different combinations the way the colors combine. And hopefully I can get this crap off because I left it till it dried. I have to shave all this off just to get it off, but we'll see. Anyway, hope you like it. And if you do, you can subscribe below and hopefully share with your friends. Let me know what you think of this style and have you tried it yourself. And let me know if you're coming to the show. It's June 23rd, 6 to 8. So hope to see you there. Thanks, guys.